izule obvious nami usuqhaqela movious yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka.
Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged podcast. This is Phinde Safika and angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no Archild Africa.
What's up, Zitini Makenge? My name is Archild Africa. Welcome to another awesome episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast.
Oh, sister of the show.
Brother of the show.
Wavele wakhetha ukuba isosha today.
Shine first. Hey, today World Cup, so
nice.
Sivile.
Ngibonile emasontweni lapha ukuthi kwavele kwathiwa one nil.
Hey. Yeah, kaze kuthiwa ama-China ngempela bengekho kodwa phela iKorea kade sidlala but yeah.
Hayi kuyapusheka kuhamba kanjani kodwa lapha ama-picture
Yeah. I hope I'm not vivile because we're gonna pull up there at Murphy's Mhlaka 4
nice.
And make sure we do the things, bruh. Mhlaka 4 is my birthday.
Yeah.
And obviously Movies Media is gonna be there on the photo booth with the bits to go.
Yeah.
And have a tattoo booth by Inkslave. Gonna have a hub, play by hookah every day. And yeah, uzokumnandi wesithini.
Hayi maybe in the creative sector ngifuna ukukhumbuza abantu ukuthi eBet Center imic isobe sibeke center sithi umqondo selector ubani ubetha so yahlangene laphana nama creatives siyabona ukuthi i-event nakhona iyalunga
Yes.
yahlangana mhla 15 sizobe ku more about listening session,
Yes. Talking about brand development,
yes.
Talking about PR. Yeah, it's gonna be dope.
Hayi kuyahlangana and i-music imbizo laphana mangithi ngiyabheka kune competition ye-hip hop i-beat making.
Oh, dope.
Kuno 10 grand kufuneka niwuthathe lapha mawukuthi ukwazi ukushaya ama beats noma ngabe hip hop noma ngabe piano noma ngabe igqom ngenela nomncintiswano lo nje ubuyibona i-poster and then kuzoba khona enye competition ye Mood Court.
Yeah.
Okay. And then it's about film scoring. Yeah.
10K, 10 blocks, 10 blocks.
10 blocks nje mfethu nje ubona kuma poster lana.
Uthiphe ngomunye unyaka wahamba na I think 2, right?
Ngizokuthiwa wayithatha iminyaka elandelana.
Wahamba ne beat making, wahamba ne scoring. Same year.
Dog.
Hamba no 20 blocks.
Hey, shout out to Tipek. Vele ke umuntu ko lo osebenzile ke.
Yeah, I gave me. Yeah.
Ayikuyaphusha ngoba i-event i-film festival izobe ise
UNISA
ngomhla ka
26,
27, 28.
Yeah.
Yep. Ayike sicela nisupport bafethu the music imbizo kune talent showcasing futhi ezobe ikhona lapha endaweni ezihlukahlukene.
Yeah, Stable Theatre, Ikizaleni Center for Jazz, Hugh Cafe, Chairman. Yeah. So like maningi, I think 7 venues. 7 venues, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi I can't wait to introduce my homeboy, the guest of today.
Shibligwa.
Shibli. Ubanike clue. Please, tell me welcome guest here today, Archild.
Hi, bafethu namhlanje Prince Zinja Game. Everybody, please welcome to the show, Lord Script.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, friends. Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged podcast.
Awe.
Finally. Uyazi usesikhulume ngawe la kwi-podcast ungekho kaningi kanani. Ama-guest avela mention futhi ngiyakhumbula sino-Nails. Kwaveka igama lalo script kamnandi futhi sino-Celestel.
Yeah.
Kwavela igama futhi
That's family. Futhi umndeni lo. Family. Yeah.
Mhlawumbe vele sithathe sibeke emgqeni nje ubhizi ngani kule insuku bafo?
Ngenza izinto eziningi bana lately bani ngiphathwa ikhanda I think I also kind of bit too much than I can chew. So lately what I've been doing, the last time I dropped an EP last year. I was like, okay, bro, I have a thick enough catalog. I want to relax on releasing. I was like, come on, 5 projects about they can still digest, it can still go. The other one just went 2 million streams like maybe a couple of months ago. I was like, but Gobo Music, where I push on, let me just venture because it's something I've always wanted to do. Venturing into PR, management, artists, teaching. Because I'm an artist, but I was into music. Distributor kanjani, they don't know how to get money and get paid from that. But jwala ukwenzela nje ukuthi hayi umhliko because usebenzela Universal ngizomnikeza music wami and then mina bona basobejabulela ukuthi music uphumile. Then they don't understand growing is also understanding the business side of it ukuthi okay ngithole 100k streams, so imalini leyo kumina, and how do I get that money? I need to be able to realize how do I track this, how do I make money, how do I amplify it as well. So that's what I've basically been focused on. I've got a lot of artists under me and ngibapushayo, distributing for them, doing PR for them, ngibahlanganisela ama projects, obviously with the network and the connects that I have, ngibahlanganisela ama feature with the people that I'm at. So nje ngizama ukuthi keep that theme ukuthi like every Friday, like maybe first Friday of the month, or like an important month, like Champe, like how July is important to Durban. Obviously, April, Easter, everyone is looking for that vibe. So I'm doing one here in Durban on the 3rd of July next week, Friday. It's gonna be crazy.
At the warehouse.
At the warehouse, yeah. The lineup is crazy. I'm glad again.
It's insane.
Mangishaya event lineup laphana ngiphethe inkabuzeze headline ubhuti abadala bangiblessile uSjava Big Zulu, then ngiphethe i-top 3 yaseDubani, i-big 3 ngibiza i-big 3 yaseDubani njengoba Drake nabo bebiza i-big 3 plus ne big 3 yethu la Dubani, phethe uZakwe, ngiphethe uDuncan, uBeast, that's the big 3. Then I've got some of my friends from Joburg, khona DJ Speedster, DJ Capital, ngiphethe uSister uMusli.
It's a crazy lineup.
It's crazy. That lineup is crazy. Ngiphethe Intwana, the new wave, they've got the biggest hip hop song right now. Amaqwela beno DJ Sleek, no Mesh Beats, vele ngabehlisa bonke. So it's crazy.
Senza into ezinkulu, senza into ezincane, senza into ezinkulu, senza into ezincane, senza into big bro.
Trust me.
Ngibona ngisho ku studio laphana ngazi i-recording label noma it's Sony, Sony
Universal. I was also shocked. Cabanga nami
khona isithombe sakho lapha.
Ngisedongeni kuyafika lapha Intwana. Yeah, there's a friend of ours she's a female producer. She had a session. So bebukile lapha Universal waswangicela ukuthi I must pull up noSasti just see what gems we can put, because I think she's working on a project. Mangithi ngiyafika ngithi ngiseyindongeni zenu majithi. Which was actually crazy. It's pretty cool, man. The recognition is crazy.
And abantu bayazi vele nje bade ngithi Homeline Mzilayi one time. Ukhulele yaphi nendawo eMzilayi because ngiyakhumbula nami bekunesikhathi ngihlangana nawe ubhampisa ibhola safunda laphana ka-AA wadlula ngakamthaphiseni
lapha. So
ukhulele ke lapha.
Mina ngikhulele endaweni ezo2 eMlazi. So lapha ngakini sahlala ngasobathunga ka-AA is my mom's house.
Oh nice.
So ka-Oledi ka-AA. So then when my mom passed away, because ngangihlala ne-Oledi kuphela, so I was forced ukuthi ngimove ngiye to art section, which is my grandmother's house. Ozali Oledi yabo. So then kwaletha umalume uthi azogada because ngisayintwana ngihlale ngedwa yabo in a big house like that ngaya kagogo. So then the rest of that childhood ngakhuliswa ugogo ke ka-art. So basically grew up in both sections. Then sengimdala sengibuthi xa sengazenzela, then ngabuyela back to we call it L8, because amanika amaningi o-MPK abalapha i-Golden Black abalapha sabase L8
umlazi gangster like lapha kulesa
ubongani wahlala ngayo babeshuthela phambi kwethu lapha noSibhaba bangasekhaya
ama event lapha
eground.
Cabanga ke basketball abantu bengazi ukuthi unaleyo background of bowling
serious. I've got provincial and national colors because I played for SA, I played for KZN as well. So basketball at some points was the same way being Pili rap, basketball at the same point was into engiyiphilayo nje.
Wahlala egqokile nje stradini kids nje mfethu uyena mjito wahlala bhampisa ibhola inigala ngasekhaya masazi ukuthi mayiqhamuka nje.
Kade ngihlazi manje kade ngaba yinika mina abantu baqale manje mina ngaba yinika kudala.
And bese ngiyakhumbula futhi lapha elokunjeni eBeth Center as well. What year was that bunch? Nje wokumkhulu onyaka lo was it 2009?
2010 kusaba nama live check before Sakrampa futhi yabo. So mina I think I went through every phase of ukuba inika ngakloka gogo kuba inika ngakloka.
So eskele busuvela ucreative that time or it was
I was already I rapped in primary school, and then from primary I went to high school. Ngafica uZakwe, we went to the same school. We used to be in the same rap crew. Rap crew mina ngayifika ukuthi when I was in grade 10 he was in matric esephume esigele, but there's a crew he started, it was called Verbal Chaos. Eqala uZaku. Mina ngifika cause ngaqala ngafunda kwesinye isikole until grade 9. Then I moved to Brittonwood High School where ngafica khona uZaku, but yena wayese matric ngifika. Safika yabo. So like I was already rapping mina all by that time. So it's like it's been years, bro.
Ushibulika lapha.
Shibli.
And then yiphi ingoma wayiqala mhlawumbe uthi ngiyakhumbula mhliko la my first song engayirekhoda. When was that? Usakhumbula?
My first song engayirekhoda konje kwakuyini, it was a boom bap song with Lento, because I rapped before. I was a battle rapper. Ngiyenza ingoma ukuthi ngiye studio ngiyorecord. Then my first time I ever recorded Brittonwood mawela umgaqo uFlow Sick wayihlala up the road. So the first time I ever recorded Flow Sick. Athi Flow Sick awoza ngiwele lapho ngiwele freeway. Uhlala eMbilo yena uhlala la iCVO. So we used to cross the road, go to Flow Sick's house. So it was a boom bap song. I don't remember what it was called, but that was the first time ngifunda ukuhlanganisa ichord, because if you're a battle rapper wazi ubhala amabars nje, infinite bars angapheli, but Flow Sick kind of guided me to show ukuthi okay ingoma ihlanganiswa kanje, okay uthi kanje chorus kunokuthi ube ne verse elu 32 bars engomeni, you can actually split it kube 3 verses in a song, ube nento ezoba catchy ezophindeka. So that was actually the first time I ever
and
actually
that time mhlawumbe ubusakhamba futhi
ngangenza yonke into at the same time. Ngidlala ibasket, ngikrampa, ngirap.
Momenshana lezayikhaza seBed Center benine crew ebidope ngalendlela kumake nangena stage. Everyone
Nabo Flex.
Konje yini igama layo? Was it Radical? No, you were.
I had 2 crews. Ngadansa neGenesis. Genesis nabo Flex, no Breezy, and then we had another crew sehlukanile Genesis. Then we started Kingdom Radicals. Nabo Celestial Mike, and then
yes.
Usawa
sasi KR Kingdom Radicals. After ngiphuma singasekho Genesis, then we started our own things. Nabo with a fresh blood into izinto eyishisayo egameni.
Wenza kakhulu namanje usenza
kakhulu. And in fact yazi I feel like angazi mfethu iTheku it is kind of lacking that, because I feel like most of us were groomed, like we're always saying the same things, most of us were groomed in that era, especially at Bed Center. And if you see most of the people that were there at the era Leana, most of them are doing the significant spaces in the industry.
In the industry, yeah, true.
So manje mfethu okay, so njoba Bed Center, what was your experience? Okay, you was winning my battles, you were winning, you were dominating, but at the same time, you know what I mean, doing your own thing on the side, and you're still doing amazing things. What was your experience in that?
I think the experience was crazy, because mangibuka back every time ngihlala phansi, it actually molded me to be the type of person that I am, or the type of artist that I am, because ngihlezi ngisho ngabantu bethu ukuthi thina bethu abanenhlanhla usaphila kule era bethu intwana bethu ethula manje or ezenza anything creative in that space, they didn't experience what we experienced. Lapha yana futhi nane social media wasn't that big. Word of mouth ngiyafika ngiyambona umhliko ushaya ingoma ufreestyle uchaza umlazo wonke uthi khona umuntu okwazi ukwenza into enje. So ukuba Ntwempu was live in front of you, like I lento yamanje ukuthi you selling someone online, lapha it was like this is just live. Pure talent. So Leandro, the reason why she's strong and we last this long in the industry is because we existed in that era. Ingeke social media ukuthi bayo hype up ngisho better online, or kwaukuthi uyasikhombisa manje ephethenda phela uyakhumula ubuphuwa lapho ubunezwa u5 minutes ukuthi hayi okay siyasiba mhlawumbe contazana manje lo 5 minutes wow exhauster ungasikhombisanga ukuthi hayi ngeke winje keep. So manje people yabo can sell themselves online, they can buy people to say your stuff bakhokhela abantu beTikTok ukuthi silibele sikposta engekho le nto. You had to actually be talented. So I think it played a big role into being this person that I have, given all the thick skin now, because ubuya Josie and ufike wenze lento yenza, you need to have thick skin. Now emotionally ungekho tough la mentally izokugqilaza iJozi yabo. So their era nje yokuba seBed Center taught me to actually be this gun I am today.
And then when did you start making your way to Joburg? Because obviously you were Durban based, and then what actually made you go to Joburg, and when did you start making the move?
I moved to Joburg in 2015. I moved to Joburg in 2015, and then nakhona it was into engishayo. Okay, into enginspire kakhulu ukuthi ngiyeJozi. When I dropped my first mixtape, King of the South, nabo Nesty C, Nesta Funk, it like, okay, Tina, Smachwelo, Nesty C, Besia, Nabo, Pet Center, Yabo Intwana Yami, Yabo Nje. So in Durban, it wasn't really, because he was already hot at the time. I wanted to keep a nature spec, Yabo. So now it kind of brought some attraction for my project and to me. And then Yakumbulu Slika Wang News, Slika, Konenishan is Aisha. Kantari, Hip Hop Thursdays at Kantari. So they run a competition throughout the month, and then from everybody who dropped on the Slicker on isasebenza ngalento enjengo data file host calculate ngamanamba then you would be like, okay, we're gonna put you onto the show that we do every time month end. And then sikupokele ufika nje yabo bangenza nje lapha ufika ngitafuna lapha into engayazi yabo. So mangifika I was like, no, ngiyayibona hip hop yethu that side, but commercially it's like this here in Joburg. Yavela nginspire lanto ukuthi ayingeke, because already we had done everything ongayenza phethu la eThekwini. Sesishaya lo live check, sishaya battle of the year yabo. Ngiyabona ukuthi okay now, and nalento ukuthi we don't have access to media like that, where there's TV, there's radio yabo. Siyabuka kuna konje what was that show le yaku ETV le rap She's Knees yabo. So you have to be Joburg to go to She's. So it little extreme stress and I want to do these things but I can't because I don't have the access to it since ngidana. And all about basic team unless kuna Metro Awards or kuna show in July. So that's when I made the decision like angiyavaya pan.
Umuntu wayelakhe ngayithola ngokweShiznix ngokuba dope. Ngoba dope. So phazamisa ngalesa sikhathi bengithi uDJ akalungise because manje I wanted us to play something. So, you know, yazi indaba ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi kuno music okhiphile bra and like classic songs with abantu esibaziyo njengamanje. Yiphi ingoma ongathanda sidlale singathi masithi online sithole sidlale ka script while nje sesakhuluma inkulumo.
I think my favorite song is definitely already remixed lengisanda ukuyikhipha with Okay Malum Cookets no Sasti no Loki.
Oh nice.
Because what I usually do ngihlezi ngihlanganisa lona idubane mfethu. So nje uyazi isound yethu ukuthi na ke distinct.
Nice. I-order lapho. DJ ngisakhuluma ngale and then ziningi lezi ngoma nalama collab adwabala bese abantu sosebenzisane nawo. Khona le nishuthela phezulu lapha. Phela lapha le ngoma leyana.
Oh Mtasi.
It's one of the songs even abantu thina sikwazi kudala you my brother sisebenzile abanye bakwazi because
song most of us that song actually helped us because I think the attention yabantu since it was lockdown when we sent so abantu babehleli emakhaya, so music was what was keeping us going yabo. So now you play it changed his life, it changed my life as well. So you know, that was a big one.
Yep. Ufuna usho something where did
no sisitholini ngomve
asidedere so let's chill kanje ngama classic. Nice beats, man. Who's on the beats?
I mean, I'm spanning the journey of audio sims. Okay. I'm done to audio sims. I learning. It's audio sims. Now I'm dance or producer, or most of Shimili guy
okay.
Pull up engine no Phoebe. Superstar no strategy. Stole my shots, but they had on me. I got the pieces monopoly. Got me a bad mama proud of me. Proud of my shares, proud of my jeans. All the like Steph Curry, I wanna ring. You got that bitch look like trim. I'm sleeping dirty, but my swag clean. I need clean that colors. I clip your palace. Feeding in my canal. Shouting so that's in cabas. Ilang at my sagalan. Manja so keep them corners. Tandem de non de gas. Shiny ora yo kabash. Shiny ora yo kabash. Shiny ora yo kabash. Shiny ora yo kabash.
Weekend.
What must you have behind this? Nice. No, so the way so don't that so adlala ama classic awu 3 sika siqhubene nenkulumo but
manje mfethu ngiyabona lapho uhlangana nezinkaba lapha manje eGoli kwenzeka kanjani lokho
usho kanjani
izinkaba la kwindawo zezwe yabo phakathi nje kwesibaya.
I think Well, mostly umuntu engavele ngazwana naye ngiqala ukufika eGoli kakhulu uBhuti Sijava because uSijava I think he relates a lot with Ntwana. uSijava, besides the fact that Pela he's a rapper.
Yeah.
That's how he started up as a rapper. Just that when he got signed to Ambitious, that Afro-pop sound worked. So that's his highest selling point. But yeah, and he's always been somebody who's always been interested in the rap. Ntwana ezintsha uyayisupporta entubona namaqwela owabone ekhuphuka isandla sakhe uBhuti Omdala. There's even more before that, yabo. So nje he just welcomes the new blood, he just welcomes
That's
the new
beautiful.
age. He's always ufika kwamashow ayifikelene ungambizanga makwabona une show ubone eme ngaphandle hayi uthi ufuna ukubuka ethi uBhuti Omdala is a crazy example to all of us, like umuntu awuyena naye ke noBig Zulu naye futhi kanjalo uBhuti Omdala naye, like they abantu abanothando for igame, because I think leyanto mawuhluphekile uyilwele into nayo ikhanda leyo nhliziyo kwena ukuthi manginase isandla ukwazi ukusiza omunye umuntu. Yabo nje uBig Zulu naye nje bese Ntwana ayisizile yabo, everyone okwinkabi records ushintsha impilo zabo. Most of them kwinkabi records are millionaires. Batakule ngesandla sakhe yabo.
Yeah, I think there's more people about the level yabo must look up to them for real, because I feel like the industry is lacking isandla esidonsa abanye. We always people like ngithini ama-artist amaningi amasasephumelele ayathanda nje ukuhlala esichongweni engabheki emumva yabo. So I think it's a beautiful example of what they do. And especially futhi i-caliber yengoma or i-caliber ye-products abanayo. You wouldn't expect to abantu abantwempu kanje would be so humble as well to take others up. So I think it's dope.
Yeah. Ngabona recently sinosijava okhosini FM iHeart yalo yabhuti with indlela yewabonisa ngayo amaciko ama-creatives, many things. Ubone ezinye izinto ama-celebrity angekazazisho kuthina but ubhuti ukuthini wayesitshela kahle uthi bafethu musani ukuthi nibhale ama-hits yekani ukuthi manibhala ngifitshela ukuthi nibhalele i-hits yabo, nokuthi industry kanje umuntu akhipha i-heart yakhe like akhuluma ukudlula wonke umuntu, ekhuluma ukudlula wonke umuntu ekhona ezathi uyakhuluma uprof amphazamise ngoba kunalento emphushayo ukuthi I just want to give more like kulabantu abakhona
yena ke inhliziyo yakhe ngempela ingaphandle kanjalo bonke bokuthi noZulu mohleli phansi naye kanje izaluleke. Ingakho mina isikhathi esiningi ngibona nje online hlezi ngihleli nobhuti abadala nazi Ntwana ngihlale nazo because ngithatha lo lalwazi ngililanda nami ngidlulisele kanje
Streamline
yabo lonto.
Yeah, I think it's good, bruh. So right now, obviously you have the order out right now. Is there anything you're working on currently in your sample we should expect?
Yeah, since I said I dropped the EP, Undeniable EP, I worked on the deluxe, I finished it. But I'm just told this guy to keep because Ukeeper is just not about just having music out there. Once we understand the level, it's understanding that every drop has to have a rollout, has to have a plan. Ama-music video azophushwa kanje mhlawumbe kuzoba ne-merchandise ezophelezelana nale drop. It's not about hayi ngoba iphumile bastream abantu first day kujabule and then ayikho into efake i-momentum ingoma. So I think there's so much on my plate that I don't know mhlawumbe ngizogcina ngiyikhiphile or ngizogcina ngayikhiphanga, but I'm enjoying so much this new venture that I'm on of just working with artists. Nami, I'm learning myself in the process because now I'm still doing music but at different aspects within the business of music.
And usakhuluma nge-match ngibona ugqokile la iSpova ngibade sikhuluma offline ekuseni ukuthi ngiyengabona something beyiphusha ngathi bekunedisk kade idlalwa begqoka ibrand eSpova ngacabanga uMalume Khulukhethe ngacabanga wena bekwenzakalani lapha.
Yeah, no, in Jozi just before we came down the day ilento abafana bethu bedlala their first match we World Cup. So uMalume Khulukhethe this is his angithi iSpova, this is the famous Spurs this is Mlazi Milan. Abasemlazi Mlazi Milano Classico. So there's a friend of ours omunye futhi ethi uSwenko ophusha nje uyinja nje bethi naye ebrand in Joburg. He's got his own shop Bramfontein Central Bram nje. He's been there for years. He's a OG in this brand and merchandise thing. So they collaborated with Malume Khulukhethe. They did a tournament. It was team eBhola iSpova versus iSwank. There was like a tournament. I think there was another team and then finally win, and then later on uSwank did a show where it's like Gyobuka nje nescreen esikhulu i-event but kuzobuka ibhola abantu bayirelaxele having their drinks and then performances. Malum Kukets was the headliner, obviously wa perform uPhuto Mdala and it was vibes nje but egoli bese kumnandi.
Hey, bese egoli bese.
There's all yabo
Siyabonga,
i-culture is always alive in anything. Nathi sisenza izinto yethu amanika amajite piano nawa nomoya wabo wenzayo, so it's like bro, like it's alive.
It's alive
busy.
bese goal mfethu ngabona lapha even eBram like yabona
crazy.
If ufuna ukuswenka uconza namhlanje
Yeah.
you're not gonna be out of place because wonke umuntu uyaconza lapha.
Don't you could wear the weirdest thing.
Yeah.
Ayikho weird because useGoli. Like this sense of fashion is so open-minded and just the CD on its own. It's like into engayigqoka mina ngiseGoli. Mhlawumbe ngizoya ku perform ngihamba ngayo la estrandini esithouse uzweke unika.
That's too much.
In Joburg you don't get that. You don't get that. Cultures are so vast.
You know,
it's crazy.
Exactly. Ba hate
Ba-hate,
bayibona
mfethu.
njengoba
And lapha bese ukuhamba iSpani akuyo ukuthi wazibani. Lapha
Yeah.
iSpani ngempela you can literally be
yeah.
under the radar and
Yeah.
make a living ube
Yabo
great.
nje,
Yeah.
especially with that because like mawufika eMjipa lento khona into bebenza kakhulu isithawa yokuthi umuntu like let's say you performing i-response is according to who you are. Like okay
yeah.
siyamazi uhlipha
Yeah.
nolazi ishiphatha uba lo munye umjita lo
Ubani,
yabo so ngeke simemeze
Yeah.
eGoli bakubuka kanje mabeza uthi itswe blishandisa
Even if waziwa kodwa mawubhedwe.
mawubhedwe uyabhedwa even mabebonza hayi uyasibozela but
Right.
kodwa i-reception of anything that's dope, that's the one thing I like
Yeah.
about it. Yabo.
Bro, before we talk more about your energy on stage, ukuthi kahle kahle bethi ukube energy yale script on stage bengifuna sidlala umtasa lapha sithathe sibeke umtasa uDJ yabe ulungisa.
Sure.
Bro, i-energy yakhe stage like akekho umuntu okwazi ukuyimatcha kwesinye isikhathi ungababheka bonke umrapper thina uyazi ke masithanda kwesinye isikhathi
Yeah.
when you have your own dance moves
Yeah.
unezinto ezamakhila ungakasho lutho.
Sure.
So zonke lezi zinto usukuyicabanga kanjani?
I think number one, my one advantage is what we were talking about earlier that I used to dance. When I
Yeah.
did. And then number two is the fact that more than making music, I like the art of performing itself. Yabo ukubuka umuntu emehlweni, making them feel as how they feel. Mabehleli endlini belalela ama-earphone is the craziest
Like
thing.
that.
It's the best thing ever.
Yeah.
Yabo. And the fact that uzo-entertain abantu mawuse stage yabo.
Yeah.
Yabo uzo-entertain ngikhokhe clipper 50 ukuthi ngifuna ukuzolalela umhligo ngimbuke sengimlalelile endlini ngiyamlalela ngizwe ingoma zakhe sengimvumile now I wanna see yabo ukuba one with your song because baningi abantu abenza ingoma ezintwe masumbuka stage yakuthi
Yeah.
ubhora abantu kanje
Cabanga.
le ngoma yakhe inamandla kanje but yabo wena ufethu ufika ulele stage so a lot of people end up losing fans like that.
Yeah.
No, but you were so energetic on the song
know.
but now when I'm looking at you live it's not corresponding.
Isho ngathi ngafa.
Yabo.
Yabo.
So mina
brother naye leyanto leyana ngifuna nokungena kuyona but
yeah. So mina being this person of the background that I come from of entertainment, I like giving people a show. You know?
Showcase.
I like ukuthi uphume lapho ungivumile ngayo yonke into ungathi lo mjito usegomusic. Unse ngokuperform unse yabo like so even my favorite artists engibavumile mina whether either locally or internationally
Yeah.
bayizinja ngokuperforma so I also look up into that. I'm like yo you
Yeah.
can actually uMichael Jackson mayiqulekisa abantu bro.
Bruh.
When uzofika uzoma nje stage ucule kuphela come on bro.
uMalum Kukhethi nje.
Umalum
Example.
Kukhethi is
Wena vele.
another inspiration to me.
Yabo.
Makufika umuntu oyimise ecabanga lo muntu usenza iminyaka emngakanani kodwa still every show mayiperform wathi uyaqala ukuperform
Cabanga.
yabo.
Hey, asibathathe sibafake bese ukuthi i-favorite yami leya ngoma
Yeah.
ngoba manje ngiyazi ukuthi yakwenzela okuningi.
Yo umtase ne.
Bese. Just ukizwa nje bese kuzosibusisa kubusise nama creatives asibukele njengamanje. Hey, wena wayishaya ibhizi la.
Audio sings.
Oh, okay.
Hou cheese en tas, sink om tas, tamatjes en tas,
Hayibo.
nigga love, zoals is real life. Get to the liquor kancane, taking on the time, wow. I to delete and dash, wow. Dash, 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 dash,
Oh my God.
zoals is real life. Get to the liquor kancane, taking on the time, dash, dash.
Akunzima mtasi fanele mithi mtasi ngize ngafunda mtasi ashaya forex mtasi
Nginamaphiko mtasi, noma ungaphika mtasi, ngibele ibhelidi mtasi, phinde ngidilike mtasi.
hlala phansi ngwenya hleze kumanzi siphathe unesi ntombi yecleans ivyo cheese
Fese ngathi ngingafenge ekhaya Naye bad basele mal angelaki Awu cheese and dust Sing on dust Tamantis and dust Nigga love Sometimes I stream life It's with the nigga man Taking the time you want I take the lead to dance Dash Sometimes I stream life It's with the nigga man Taking the time Dash
Ufuna ubethiswa mntasi ucamisa ngirich mntasi ucalculate drip mntasi okay gibela ama keys mntasi ingane ngikize mntasi zolala ngidlile mntasi ngeke ngibalise mntasi okay ufuna ikey mntasi elihamba nge-VA class umjazi kuspina ne-trance babone sifili negasi phethe yopino intashi vele ngikhanyisa mntasi ngishayele ingane ngephasi awupho uzoyidla nge-trust
Awu cheese and dust Sing on dust Tamantis and dust Nigga love Sometimes I stream life It's with the nigga kancane I'm taking the whole time I take the lead to dance
uphethe home life
Dash Sometimes I stream life It's with the nigga kancane
One of the amazing joint wethu eyasatha yasibeka sabona ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa
dasibhala
kuyasetshenzwa so asikhulumeni ngale event ezokwenzeka soon sekuyashisa man energy makhona wena
siseqaqa nebhuku
ngifuna sizwe ngale event ngizwile line up is crazy like ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu maye ofuna ukuza yini azoyiphuthela uma ukuthi akezi kule event just talk to your people na icamera
as I said I'm ngenza le event because kade ngibuka ukuthi there hasn't been an event in Durban hip hop since December agcina ngone-CCHI Ivyson tour I was like ayingiphathe kahle lento ukuthi back home hip hop is no into anazikhona they working hard they're recording everything ngiyazi mina because mangifika ngihlala nazo and they just want a platform or they want ukuthi laba zoyakhona bayoba manika babe comfortable bayidebhisela ama blue abo kube mnandi yabo so it's our father experience. The second one is a full-on hip-hop lineup. Obviously, ngibalancesile phela ngeGqom because we back at home. It's the city of Gqom. But there's also going to be an open mic. So abantu bangafika. I think the open mic is going to be between 5 to 7 before I start the main lineup. Intwana ngaqhamuka register for the open mic. Perform if you're not on the lineup. And yeah, I'm just trying to do the most I can for hip hop at Dubai because nami angifakela isinkwe etafuleni.
Yeah, man.
So makufa yona siyalimala so.
Bro. Kugqom lapho uzobuphethe ubani?
Kugqom ngiphethe umfowethu Donkey Boy hayi. Boy uyisikoko eDubai. Ngiphethe intwana yami uGeneral Smamane. Ngiphethe nama elevators. Bona kuba abantu abazolunje bedela ispark sangempela. Then the rest hayi.
Dates again.
It's the 3rd of July, Friday next week, just before 3rd of July. Vele ngathi nje masivula nje July sivula ngomoya wamanika. Khona sohamba sihamba ngomoya kahle July yonke.
And then to an activation.
Yeah, I have an activation this Saturday, which is the 27th of June. Florida Road basketball courts. Angithi ngoba sikhuluma nomhloko ngangidlala basketball. So the activation for the show, I'm going to be doing 3-on-3s, the tournament. Zobe nama team, yafika abantu ba register for the tournament. There's going to be DJs, DJ Wabi is going to be there playing, T-Bag is going to be there playing. It's creative vibe, making awareness, chilly, there's refreshments, lalo music, and just pushing the word out about the Our Father experience. Florida Road basketball courts.
I hope ayezwa besina tournament phela Peace Players recently.
Yeah.
Wonke amanika laphana abantu esibesinabo kwi-basketball dala ngisacoach. Manje sengifika ngoba ngizodlala isound kodwa ame PPI Illuminati.
Yeah, I'm also I used to play PPI. Yeah, I used to play ngadlalela umlazi, ngadlalela i-hit. So, yeah.
Hey, dope, bro. Great stuff. Yeah, so before
I'm doing the basketball short. Has no one get basketball for the cost of yeah. Now we so figure out so share.
A plaza size yakhe yambo acha.
Yeah.
Ngashaya amadanki nje.
Amadanki mfethu mina angishaya sikhokho ya.
Bengifuna ukuthi mfethu ngithole la because we spoke about abantu abaningi osebenze nabo aba grand and asebesebenzile ukuthi obani abanye sibakhohlwayo because kakhulukazi even bekuthiwa noma umuntu behind the scenes and abantu sibakhohlwa abantu esisebenze nabo asebesizile size sifike lapho ukuthi oba abanye suka wasebenza nabo
yeah, that list is vast mina kaningi mfethu abantu abangisizile umuntu esisebenze kakhulu naye is like my brother inja yami sihlala ndawonye la ngihlala khona eJozi Musicaholic is my brother on the highest level we live in the same complex since sasuka kanye nala nje nasila naye wasemlazi ke thina siyawuphusha umlazi kasile siyathanda ke thina siwumlazi nje njengokubona nezintwana oThono oSimamane nami ngathi senginamandla ngathi othi ngitruphasa isandla to izintwana zami ngoba ezasekhaya kuphakama nomlazi baningi mfethu abo KS Cube they helped us with the visuals uyashoot uKS Cube KS Visuals la eThekwini I think is doing very great. He helped me a lot with visuals. Slowman Films, uyena Slowman winja kakhulu. Slowman naye as much as established as big as he is, kulo msebenzi awenzayo. uSlowman unokuhalela uthatha le ngoma yakho fanele utsempu kanje, wathi ngikushutele yabo. Umuntu ochache, umuntu oyaphesheya letho Diamond Platinums ayoshoot ama music video for 100k. Inkabi zezo uBig Zulu bashutha uyena but we still can give back to intwana athi lentwana iyaphusha ngiyibona nomoya. Ngale ngoma yakhe yashitha wathi ngikushutele music video. So abantu abakanjalo is people we appreciate yabo.
And Slowman
has done a lot for the game. He's done a lot for the game. Other artists abangisizile bethu baningi bethu oSetrill obhuti ba mina just have brothers. Most people that I've ever ngibona ungena engoma nomuntu that I have a personal relationship with. I don't just make a song with you because siya rap us about so it's probably because ngiyakwazi ukuhlala nawe sixoxe nangezinye izinto yabo. So there's a lot abo Pretty Ugly or MT about there's a lot in
nice.
Game ihlangene hip hop in Joburg. Not all the time, but kodwa laba esizwanayo nabo because we all have a common goal ukuthi sifuna ukuthi hip hop to get back on the top. Sifuna isinkwa sibuye yabo.
Yeah. And Musicaholic usene company.
Yeah, he's got his own company. He's always had it but Ogwanda. Yeah,
Ogwanda is.
Yeah, Ogwanda is great. Sando keeper nje super hits. No set really. She's doing very great. The numbers are crazy. So Musicaholic has first class entertainment.
Okay.
So I think he's got 2 artists that he signed. There's another lady called Pretty Buhle. Naye sando we signed
entswempu nje. Yeah, Pretty Buhle.
Siyaspana. Siyaspana bese goli besihleli lapha. Sikasetshenzwa.
It's very exciting stuff.
No, mfethu mhlambe in closing wena what would you say nje mhlambe to intwana mhlambe kubuke from ngeke kube intwana nje kubuke from Bed Center because phela hayi
that's shoot mdunu amdala lo muntu.
So mhlambe let's say intwana mhlambe kubona online intwana mhlambe ebonile usuke eThekwini wayegoli yabona first your circle is tight. Your music, your drip is always on point. What would you say to an upcoming artist that would want to reach a level and also the level of like vision, the level of like visually and the level of the music? What would you say to them?
My advice is always ukuthi ma into uyifila wena and you believe in it ungalaleli umuntu ekutshela ukuthi ngeke isipane izosipana as long as when just the only thing you have to be sure of ukuthi awuyenzeli ukuthi umhligo ya rapper anami ngihalela lento yokurapper because it's trending or mhlawumbe ufuna intombi or whatever awuzokukhawata izinto ozobhekana nazo zidinga umuntu oyithanda ngempela ozokwazi ukubekezela through those hardships. So if uqala ube naleyo nhliziyo then after that mawusubona ukuthi ayike ngivume ngempela lento. Don't let anyone tell you can't do it. Don't listen to you're gonna get backlash. Usazo improve. If you haven't improved and worked on those things, don't let other people discourage you when you are not where you know when you to yabo. So ibanekande liqinile. That's how
because ngempela bathi ungayithandi lento mfethu.
Ungayithandi uzolimala.
Ngasivele kunzima nje
kunzima vele qala ukuthi uqala uthola traction. Cabanga ke wena ukuthi ubuyenzele the wrong reasons. Uzobhekana nezinto nje ufike eGoli. Mina ngifike eGoli bro yazi ngokubukhunini. Ubhuke ku-event kufika abanye abantu abavunywe ngaphe kwakho ukuskip islot sakho sokuperform kade utshela ukuthi uzoperforma ngo7 kufika kuthi okay no awume kancane bese kufika usibani yabo nakhona akukho ngayini uzothini bese uyabhantshela khona uyenzazi so ukuthi ngibe lo muntu ukuthi manje sekuprioritize mina I have to work for that yabo bekezela bese nokuba nekhanda liqinile kahle yabo.
That's
dope.
That's dope. Hey sesiphuma sivalele sifuna siphume ngeCipher nomhlanje.
Before but ngiyanazi phela before mfethu tholakala mfethu tholakala socials
Lord Scripts _ SA everywhere. Lord Script on
Nazo,
Facebook page down.
into ohlelekile ke. Ohlelekile.
Yeah.
Yabo labantu ababa namandla ya-Twitter ifani.
Yonke indawo.
Yonke indawo la.
Awekho ngisho ama-underscore.
Ikhona underscore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Lord Script _ SA.
Nazo.
Yonke indawo.
Hey,
Twitter,
yonke indawo.
Lord Script _ SA. TikTok, Lord Script _ SA. Instagram, Lord Script _ SA.
Yeah, hayi mina uSihlwa Kandima aka Mhliko nje. Wonke umuntu uyangazi, uma ungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje.
I mean, guys, we come on Child Africa, the African rock stars, present, obviously, guys. Child Africa across all social media platforms, and also please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to us on the Red app, which is YouTube, and then obviously TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can I also just say, guys, I don't think I did mention my event again.
Oh, yeah.
Cafe to Clara 4 July. We at Dropkick Murphys on Friday Road.
Yep.
Featuring Girl Art Child Africa, Lord Script,
You know what it is.
Conrad Duncan Skuva, Usibu. There is Peg. There is, there's many more.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Many more. Yeah.
Hayi ke usungasivalela ngebeatbox siza ukuthi uphetheni.
Ayingeke.
Udlale kube intombazana style samahala sithi sifuna lokuyipheshana ehlofoziwe sikufundele ibhalo ekhomboziwe ngetrack yomshini eyayibabaziwe yasomakhuzwa ihlale building econjoziwe God kumele kuthandeziwe simila smoothie sikhathiziwe sifuthi ibelunde eliboboziwe ngicela ukuthi ngibambe ngefreestyle njengobhova njengobona begqoke ngisho isipova uzongena lo streets the game is not over ngabe sonke sixhumana nangawo over
sekufike mina nizwa ngami I started this trap ningazi ibizwa ngani manje senifuna ukuzenza izinja zami singaya imzimba sinakusiyanziba sana asine kunenakehla kuyaviwa la isinene nemali hlehla kuyadliwa la singena ngempama sana makliwa la uNkulunkulu we trap yakubiza kuyadliwa la
Yeah. I feel like. When I stepped into the game, it was divine intervention. Now I'm switching up the lanes into a whole new dimension. I used to drop songs and they would get no attention. Now I don't skip a day without a call or a mention. I low-key got hoes and my bros in my section. These hoes say I'm cold and I show no affection. These boys call me Lord like I won an election. They say I got flow and I'm dope with selection. I want this moment of my life, and I'm willing to sacrifice. It's over, mama. I want this moment of my life, and I'm willing to sacrifice. Till it's over, mama. I can see these bars are too heavy for you. Watching kick bambies. Ngayeka intango ngoba basengibhemile ivele ngilambisi. Neplagi nayo mase ngibhlile ivele ngilandisi. Netheke nyakho mase ngidlile ivele nginyanyisi. I made it out the hood, I'm a gangster wearing the suits. I made it out of school, now my focus is on the boot. Gumzulu foot, straight from the head down to my boots. You need to listen to Zagwe when he tells to find your roots. Now that we trapping ain't the same. I'm just tryna blow up like Hussein. Yo niggas bitching saying we killed the game. I did it for my young one, not the fame. I don't want no names on my lane. Taking matters in my own hands, baby Eminem. You would pay for your sins if you say my name in vain. Only 4 letters on my name. Call me Lord, nigga. Anzange ndicinge kuzobanjena kodwa ndancedwa kungalahli ithemba. Till it's over, mama. Anzange ndicinge kuzobanjena kodwa ndancedwa kungalahli ithemba. Till it's over. Anzange ndacinga kuzobanjena kodwa ndancedwa kungalahli ithemba. Till it's over, mama. I want this moment of my life, and I'm willing to sacrifice. Till it's over, mama. I want this moment
moment of my life, and I'm willing to sacrifice. Till it's over, mama.
Eddie, you got motion.